Hi guys, I am Jerome Banyo and I am presenting you the vision, mission, goals, and objectives of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology of ISPSC. Vision, a vibrant and nurturing polytechnic service college for transforming lives and communities. Mission, to improve the lives of people and communities through quality instructions, innovations, productivity initiatives, environment and industry feasible technologies, resource mobilization, and transformational outreach program and service. Goal. The program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well versed in application, installation, maintenance and operation, development, and administration. It also engaged them in lifelong learning endeavors contributing to research, extension, and resource generation in the field of information technology. Objectives: to practice in advance human resource in the field of information technology, specifically in the development, installation, maintenance, operation, and management of information technology. To develop students with critical thinking through research and extension activities. To strengthen values which are desirable in the information technology profession and the common good. And also we have the ISPSC hymn. Dreams and visions feeding the mind of the novels, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honor, molded by society. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, built close to every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding stars of searching souls. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater, your quest to provide us with enlightened minds, to promise contented in our endeavors, enabling each to share wherever we are towards greater heights. We go forth and serve God and fellow men, for King we will shine. We're singing victorious praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater, long live our alma mater, long live our SPSC.